today I'm very happy to talk about a very interesting new development that's happening in front of us. It's in the area of mobile advertising. Firstly, why mobile advertising? I think three things are happening at the same time which are very interesting and perhaps even providential. First is, as we know, mobile is the most ubiquitous thing in this country. I'm told that there are more mobile devices than even a toothbrush. Also, the interactivity that a device like mobile provides is known to all of us. Just to give some numbers around it, if you take average outgoing minutes as 300 in a month for a customer, that's about 10 per day. Take equal number of incoming minutes, that's 20. Add to it SMS, emails, and the other things that are done on mobile. You're basically looking at a customer interacting with the mobile device 40 to 50 times in a day. If you spread that over the 16 hours that the average person is awake, you're looking at about 3 to 4 interactions every hour. That's a lot. So a huge amount of interactivity and ubiquity is the first aspect. Second aspect is that now we see that there are great, brilliant resolution phones with large screens like 4, 5, even 6 inch, which are available, which are proudly carried by customers in India. The smartphone revolution is here. Along with it are the faster networks which are available. And therefore there is a capability to serve rich media such as video in the hands of the customers increasingly every month in this country. So that's the second aspect. Third aspect is around advertising. Typically we've had on one end of the spectrum something like television, where you have large reach, but it is largely one way, it's broadcast. There is very little way to get accurate and large mass scale consumer feedback. On the other end of the spectrum is perhaps roadshows, demonstrations, where you have humans explaining new service idea or a product idea to other people, where obviously the interaction can be measured, the feedback can be measured, but scaling up is clearly a challenge. Now you marry these three things that I talked about, the ubiquity and the interactivity of mobiles, the great displays and the faster networks that are available now as a technology, and perhaps the absence of a large scale reach media with interactivity capability. And perhaps the perfect storm is building up now. And that is a stage setting for mobile advertising. Because we believe that through a slew of services that we will keep announcing, the first of which we are talking about today, mobile advertising will provide a great medium to everybody in the ecosystem, be it advertisers, be it the brands, be it the consumer. It's going to satisfy different needs of different players in the ecosystem equally. The first service that we are talking about today is the video, rich media video delivered on smartphones in our country. Currently it's available on Android, BlackBerry, Symbian and Java handsets. Increasingly as we go forward, we'll make it available for other operating systems also. Describe simply what this service is, that when you make a call, it asks the option to the customer to make a free call or to make a normal paid call. If the customer opts for a free call, he gets to view an ad which could be anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. At the completion of the ad, the call goes through as normal. As soon as the call finishes, he gets 1 minute credit if he's a prepaid customer, or if he is a postpaid customer, that credit comes in the bill at the end of the month. In addition, there is a very interesting capability which is available, which is to be able to take the customer to any URL. Now, what that opens up is huge possibilities. Technology is there, what is required is human imagination. Some examples of what is possible. You can ask a customer to like or dislike an ad right after the call. You can ask a customer if he would like to buy the product and if he would like to know the nearest store available where he can buy that product. You could even serve him a customized coupon saying it is, if he bought it within next X number of hours, Y% of discount is available, and so on and so forth. So you can bring immediate interactivity, you can get immediate feedback of what the ad is doing for your service and how our customers are responding to it. This, I think, is truly amazing. We've been working with some friendly partners for some period of time And I'm very happy with the kind of response, the kind of optimism which is there. These partners, currently we have engaged with 3 of them. One is in the area of fast moving consumer goods, the other is a device manufacturer, and the third is in the fashion apparel area. All 3 have been delighted with the kind of output that they have got. These are early days. This is a time when we are trying to show the value to every player in the ecosystem. I'm sure this is going to be huge. This is going to be significant, and because of the 3 factors that we talked about at the beginning of the conversation, I think it's going to scale up significantly. Some of the other good things which I must also talk about, it's completely customer opt-in service. Customer has to go and download the service, currently available from Android Play Store, from Nokia OV Store, and from GetJar on Java phones. Customer can also send SMS to a short code 52323, whereby a link is pushed to him. He clicks on the link, he gets the application downloaded. As soon as the application is downloaded, he is required to register, just very simple details, and he opts in. Not only this, as I was saying earlier on, at the instance of every call, he has the option for going for a free call or going for a normal paid call. So at every stage, it's an opted-in customer who's being served what he wants to see. Therefore, I think it's clearly in the hands of the customers to adopt and to see the value of it. Second aspect is also there are some questions around what will be the data charges and so on. The way this service is configured is recognizing the fact that we have still 3G network coverage which needs to scale up significantly. So one is that you can download the application from Wi-Fi networks. In any Wi-Fi zone you can download it. Secondly, this application has been designed in such a fashion that it sends a very small data packet to just trigger and tell the backend that the ad is being served. And that data packet can even travel on a 2G network. So there is no data charge required for either downloading the video or for seeing the ads. As soon as we finish the ad, SMS is currently being sent to the customer saying that 1 minute of credit has been given to your account. Tomorrow, if you wanted, we could expand this to give him say 100 MB of data, or to give some 50 SMS, or to give a wallpaper, or to give the subscription for a particular application, or to serve a coupon or anything. So possibilities are immense. I think what we have in front of us is very exciting technology, which opens up all these things which are so far not available.
Who is your customer? So who will be motivated to join this kind of revolution?
I think if you look at the brands, I've personally gone and presented this idea to quite a few of them, and everywhere, as I was saying earlier on, the optimism is huge. People do see clear advantage in this. Clearly, the more higher spenders of advertising are also the ones out there who are seeing value in it. Also financial services so far. These typically are also the segment which spend a lot more revenue on advertising than perhaps some of the other categories. So the early adopters seem to be coming more from here. But as time goes by, I think this is, in my view, this service is going to take different shape over a period of time. Today, it may start from the top in terms of kind of the revenue of the corporates. Tomorrow, it will also be a capability which could be used by a SME. If you want to send a very specified targeted messaging to a particular locality, to customers, prospective customers in that area, that will be possible through a medium like this. Because as a telco, we know which customer is in which area, and we have some details around that. So using that, I believe over a period of time, quickly, it will move from not just top corporates, but it will also expand itself to SMEs. And perhaps this is the future of what classified was 5 years ago. Perhaps all classifieds, a lot of them will move on to this. So, and I think some of the use cases will discover themselves.
By offering 1 minute credit to a person, will they be motivated to opt in?
So 1 minute is our starting position. We are seeing a lot of traction because 1 minute is about 60 to 70 paisa today, depending on which circle you are in. So people are finding value, and it's 1 minute for every ad watched. There are obviously multiple ads that get served in a day. So even if, say, you are serving 4 ads in a day, you're talking about 120 minutes. That's about 100 rupees of value. People are, looking at the number of people who are using it. We are finding clear traction out there. But as I said, this is something which is variable. It depends on the advertiser and us. If advertiser wants to give more value, certainly we have the capability of offering more value. And we have the capability of offering value beyond simple voice minutes as well. So this is a normal phone which I use. This is the call button. And I have just dialed your number. So I'm going to press. So as you can see, it gives me the option of either going for a free call by Docomo. So the ad is running, which could be anywhere between 15 and 30 seconds.
And just talking. Tata Docomo available on.
As soon as the ad finishes, the call kind of goes through. It's ringing on the other end, and assume he takes the call. I'm going to disconnect it. As you can probably hear the phone ringing on the other end, right? And it takes me to a URL of any URL. Currently, this is what we have configured, but this could be anything, right? So we could measure, as I was saying, the likes, dislikes. We could offer coupons. We could provide the nearest store location. We could do anything. So at every stage, it is completely up to date.